Hi, my name is Andy Rice. I teach auto maintenance and detail at JELCC Career Center. In this class, you have the chance to work on cars. We do a lot of maintenance stuff, oil changes, tires, brakes, batteries, alternators, things like that. But we also have the ability to do some custom work. We do custom sound systems and audio systems for cars. We've incorporated some game systems in some of the systems that we've built. We also do some construction stuff with wood and woodworking. So it's a well-rounded class for a lot of people. I accept boys, girls, sophomores, juniors, seniors for 1 year or 2 years. You can come to class 2 hours or 3 hours a day. The good news about that is each hour that you're here is 1 credit. So if you get an A in this class, that's 3 A's on your report card. Also, my class offers dual credit with Ivy Tech here in Indiana. Now, you may not decide you want to go to Ivy Tech for college. That's fine because it is a state accredited college, which means your credits will transfer to most colleges in the state. If you like cars, this class is like recess for 3 hours a day. JELCC Career Center, Auto Maintenance and Detail.
This is awesome!